In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in Basecamp so your team can follow a consistent process and keep projects moving smoothly from start to finish. Let's get started. First, log into Basecamp and open the project where you want to create your workflow. Before adding anything, take a moment to map out the main stages of your process. For example, you might have planning, execution, review, and completion. Having a clear structure makes it easier to organize tasks and responsibilities. Next, create to-do lists for each stage of the workflow. Each list should represent a major phase of the project. This helps everyone understand what needs to happen first and what comes next. Now, add individual tasks to each list. Include clear task names, descriptions, deadlines, and assigned team members where needed. Breaking work into smaller steps makes progress easier to track and reduces confusion. You can also use the Schedule tool to add important milestones and deadlines. This keeps key dates visible and helps the team stay on track throughout the project. As work progresses, team members can update tasks, post discussions on the message board, and share files through docs and files. Keeping everything inside the project creates a central place for communication and collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully created a workflow in Basecamp that helps your team stay organized, improve collaboration, and complete projects more efficiently.